Afternoon and good evening, depending on the location you're watching me from. So this is Love and That Family TV. Today I would like to talk about self-reliance. Self-reliance. I would like to talk about self-reliance. Self-reliance can be referred to as self-sufficiency. The attribute of self-reliance: determination. Determination. For a person to be self-reliant, he or she should be determined so that he or she will be able whatever he starts. Whatever he or she started. I found that anybody, they will, how will I even put it self? I found out that many people, they will start something, they will lose it. Like me, before I don't have determination of myself before. I don't at all. Yes. When I was plaiting hair, I lose it. I lose it. I will not be able to finish what I started. But now, praise the Lord, oh, I will give this thing to testimony, to church, that I was able to finish it. Can you imagine? Now, the discipline. The same doorkeeper have been treated. Discipline. Children should be disciplined. Even when parents become parents, even when a children become a parent now. For example, let's say they have been disciplined. My parents have been disciplined. Your parents will or have been disciplined. A reliance. Discipline is a reliance. Person is able to control. Is able to control himself. He avoid anything that can charge this focus in my class. In my class, I used to get F9. You don't tell anybody. I used to get F9. But now I came first class. First waiting, first class. It pain me when all my classmates go. It pain me when all my classmates they beat me. And I say, even Mr. Me, I'm getting F9. My secret has opened chicken the shop. Hey! Another one. Adora. No good thing comes in life easy. Boom. Confidence. A self-reliant person individual feels certain about whatever he